Most people think tartar is just a cosmetic issue, but the truth is far more serious. Tartar, or hardened plaque, doesn't just stain your teeth. It creates a home for dangerous bacteria that can damage your gums, weaken your teeth, and even affect your overall health. But what really happens when a dentist removes it? Today, we'll take you inside the chair, step by step, to reveal the entire process of tartar removal, from start to finish. Tartar begins as something invisible, a soft, sticky film called plaque. Plaque forms every single day after we eat or drink, and if it's not brushed away, minerals in our saliva harden it into a rough, yellowish layer, what dentists call tartar. Unlike plaque, tartar bonds tightly to the surface of your teeth. Once it forms, no toothbrush can remove it. At this stage, only a dentist with specialized tools can break it free. The process begins the moment you sit in the dentist's chair. A bright examination light is positioned above your face, illuminating every detail of your teeth. Next, the dentist prepares a specialized tool called an ultrasonic scaler, a small pen-like device that vibrates at high frequency while releasing a gentle stream of water. This combination of vibration and water pressure is designed to break apart hardened tartar safely, without damaging your enamel. With the ultrasonic scaler ready, the dentist gently places its tip against the surface of your teeth. Almost instantly, you hear a high-pitched buzzing sound as microscopic vibrations shatter the hardened tartar. At the same time, a cool stream of water flushes away the tiny fragments, while a suction device keeps your mouth clear. Piece by piece, the stubborn buildup begins to break loose, revealing the clean enamel hidden beneath. As the scaler moves from tooth to tooth, the vibrations carefully target only the hardened deposits. For the patient, the sensation is unusual, like tiny taps against the enamel, combined with a cooling splash of water. There is no pain, but a faint tickling pressure that reminds you something powerful is at work. Slowly, the thick layers near the gum line begin to disappear, leaving the teeth smoother and brighter with each pass. After the ultrasonic scaler has loosened most of the tartar, the dentist switches to a handheld tool called a curette. This slender, curved instrument is designed to reach where machines cannot, deep between the teeth and just below the gum line. With steady, precise movements, the dentist scrapes away the last stubborn deposits, ensuring every hidden corner is free of buildup. It's a delicate step, requiring both skill and patience, but it leaves no trace of tartar behind. With the tartar now removed, the dentist begins the final stage, polishing. A small rotating rubber cup is dipped into a gritty fluoride-rich paste and gently pressed against each tooth. The cup spins in smooth circles, buffing the enamel and erasing the tiny scratches left behind by scaling. The result is more than just cosmetic. The polished surface makes it harder for new plaque to stick, protecting your teeth for weeks to come. When the polishing is complete, the difference is undeniable. The once rough, yellow-stained surfaces now feel smooth when the tongue runs across them. Breath becomes fresher, gums look healthier, and the teeth shine with a natural brightness. For many patients, the feeling is almost like lifting a hidden weight, a fresh start for their smile. But the work doesn't end at the dentist's chair. To keep tartar from returning, daily habits are essential. toothbrushing twice a day with fluoride toothpaste, flossing to reach the tight spaces between teeth, and rinsing with an antiseptic mouthwash. Dentists also recommend professional cleanings every 6 months because even the best home care cannot stop plaque from hardening over time. Prevention is the real secret to lasting oral health. Scaling is more than a cosmetic fix. It's a vital step in protecting your teeth and overall health. By removing tartar, dentists stop hidden bacteria from spreading deeper into the gums and weakening your smile. It's a simple, routine procedure, but one that can make the difference between healthy teeth and years of costly treatment. So take care of your oral health and never skip your dental visits. For more clear, science-based health insights, subscribe to EverHealth, where we make health simple, visual, and timeless.